This is one of my absolute favorite recipes because it easily adds natural greens to your diet while leaving you feeling incredibly refreshed and light. I never expected that combining parsley, apple, cucumber, ginger, and lemon would create a flavor that made me stop and take another sip. To make a 250 to 300 milliliter glass of green juice like this, the ingredients are super simple. First, a small handful of parsley, about 15 to 20 grams, one large juicy cucumber, an apple, either green or red works fine, as its natural sweetness makes the juice much easier to drink. A small piece of ginger, and finally, half a lemon. Since this is a raw juice that isn't cooked, the washing process needs to be extra thorough. For the parsley, its small and curly leaves can easily trap dirt and grit. I cut off the tough roots and rinse it under running water. Next, I make a diluted saltwater bath and toss the parsley in. To save time, I throw in the cucumber, ginger, apple, and the whole lemon to soak together for about 5 to 10 minutes. Do you guys have any quick yet thorough veggie washing hacks? If you have a good trick, remember to share it below so everyone can learn. After soaking, I take everything out, give it one final rinse with clean water, and let it drain. For the parsley, I chop it into short pieces about 3 to 4 centimeters so the blender can catch it easily without getting tangled in the fibers. For the cucumber, I usually keep the skin on because once cleaned, it gives the juice a more beautiful green color and a fresher flavor. Then I slice it into medium chunks. For the ginger, I only use a small thumb and leave the skin on because the essential oils in the skin are so fragrant. Then I slice it thin. For the apple, I also keep the skin on for that nice aroma, but I'll quarter it, scoop out all the core and seeds, and then slice it into small pieces. Make sure to remove the seeds so your juice tastes better and blends smoothly. As for the lemon, I tried using a whole one at first, but the tartness was a bit too sharp. After making it a few times, I found that half a lemon is the sweet spot. It makes the drink more balanced and way easier to enjoy. Now, it's time to load everything into the blender. I add the ingredients one by one, starting with the ginger, cucumber, apple, and finally, the parsley. Next, I pour in about 200 milliliters of filtered water. This amount of water is just right to keep the blender running smoothly while making the mixture easier to blend and strain. When it comes to enjoying this green drink, there are two ways to have it, depending on your personal preference. Method 1 is drinking it straight. You can pour the mixture directly into a glass and enjoy it right away. This is incredible for anyone who wants to get all that rich fiber from the apple, cucumber, and parsley to help support smooth digestion and keep you full longer. Method 2 is straining it. This is actually how I usually drink it, pouring the mixture through a fine mesh strainer to get rid of all the pulpy texture. Throw in a few ice cubes to chill it down, and it becomes the ultimate refreshing drink for hot days. The combination of parsley and cucumber creates a super clean, crisp flavor that I absolutely love. The vitamin C from the lemon and apple helps brighten the skin, leaving you looking radiant and full of life. Best of all, thanks to the ginger warming up the gut, this drink supports your digestion so gently, completely freeing me from that morning bloating or discomfort. When you give this a try, remember to leave a comment below and let me know how you like it. I'd love to see if this parsley combination surprises you as much as it did me, If you found this video helpful, please support me by hitting that like, share, and subscribe button. Thank you so much for listening to my story. Wishing you all a day full of energy.